Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Park the Innova, turn off ignition, and disconnect the battery negative terminal. Once done, remove the lower dash panel, use a Phillips #2 and a trim tool to avoid breaking clips, then set screws in a labeled bag. Next, expose the center vent assembly and identify the plastic clips and 10-15 mm bolts holding it. You do this so you can remove the assembly cleanly and avoid damaging the dash while you proceed to the vent module. You now remove the vent module carefully. Pry the housing evenly to release plastic clips and pull the assembly clear, making sure nothing snags. Then disconnect actuator linkage and the small electrical connector. Note their orientation so reassembly is exact. Remove individual louvers by depressing retention tabs and slide them out to inspect for broken tabs, trapped debris, or mold buildup. This inspection shows why the vent failed: worn clips, seized actuators, or grime, so you can decide whether to repair parts or replace the vent. You finish by installing the replacement vent or repaired louvers. Align retention tabs and press until they snap, ensuring each louver moves freely. Once in place, reconnect the actuator linkage and electrical plug, then secure the housing with the original bolts and clips. Reinstall the lower dash panel and reconnect the battery. Finally, test the Aircon across modes and fan speeds. Make sure airflow direction responds and listen for unusual noises. If the vent sticks or actuator clicks, check linkage alignment and connector seating as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.